Welcome to this video on how to create your first process. Welcome! In this video, we are going to create our first business process using BIZUIT Designer. We will model a support order process in BPMN and transform it into a workflow ready for automation. We will start with the creation of the process. We will go to our BPMN designer. We will create a pool with 3 lanes, one for the requester, one for the support team and one for the manager in charge of area. The process starts with the reception of the request that is registered by the requester, for which we have a start event that we will transform into a start event perform. Then, the support team analyzes the request and decides if it has an immediate solution through a gate. Then what we will do is use an activity. Evaluate request. Then we will use an exclusive gate to determine if it has an immediate solution or not. If the solution is immediate, the client is informed. We will say that it is an automatic activity via mail, so it would be an invocation task to a service. In the case that there is no immediate solution, the support team must treat the request, for which it will have a period of 2 days. We will say that it is a user task as well as the evaluation of the request. As the support area has 2 days for the treatment of the request, we will use this intermediate event. We will drag it over the user task, and we will tell it that it is a waiting event in case it is not fulfilled in 2 days. This will pass to the manager who must solve the request. We will close our gate and then place an end event for either case.